Coming this October to ON1 Photo Raw 2023. Ocudrone Skies. Now, what is Ocudrone? Personally, I've never heard of them until I came across ON1 Photo Raw. But basically, this is a place where you can purchase 8K skies in bundles, and they can work with not only ON1 Photo Raw, but they can work in Lightroom, Photoshop, Affinity, probably even Luminar Neo, as long as your editor has layers and masking. I'll be sure to leave links in the description below. I'm not affiliated with them whatsoever, but that would be cool, so contact me anytime. However, for ON1 Photo Raw 2023 users, this is a bonus feature that you're going to get, something to look forward to. Let me show you a few examples. So I have a stock photo here of a castle, and we're just going to go into Sky Swap AI here. Then all you have to do really is go into the category section, and you're going to see now part of the other default categories, these ones under Ocudrone. So these are the Ocudrone Blue Velvet ones. There is 12 in this set. From what I've seen, most of the sets have 12 to 13. As we looked on the website, the smaller bundles had 25. So you're getting about half of those bundles. And then obviously if you want more of these guys, you could purchase them separately. But you see now with this one example with the blue velvet sky, it's really transformed this image. Now obviously I have to make some adjustments to the horizon here, and probably to the mask. Full disclaimer, again, this is a beta version. They are making improvements to the quality of the mask for Sky Swap AI, but I've been waiting for those final masking touches to go over it in more detail, so stay tuned for that. Now, I believe there's about 10 categories that are coming with ON1 2023. That could change. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what's in the beta version. And as I said before, within these 10 categories are about 12 or 13 images. One of the really popular categories is this cotton candy one. And a lot of these images have really cool colors, like as you see on the screen there. Here's the second one. I'm just going to hover over some of these. Here's one that's a bit more dramatic with some purple. I really like this one. It's got nice sun rays beaming out. And this one especially, it's got that fantasy vibe that goes well with the castle. So I really think this is a great addition and an added bonus for us. Now I have another stock photo that I ended up editing to look more dramatic for like sunsets. So here we have the first example. Gonna hover over the second one. Oh, that's really dramatic, and it does something funky to the image. Well, I like the way this one looks. And here's another one with that really dramatic purpley orange sky. We have one here with a setting sun, although it doesn't match the lighting of the scene, but anyway, this is just for demo purposes. Now that was the tropical sunset one. This one's called Undeniably Dramatic. So if we look at this example here, yeah, very, very dramatic. But the quality is really good. Again, as I mentioned before, these are taken in 8K. And from what I understand, it's taken by drones so that they can get these amazing colors and all these variations. Oh, that one's really cool. So I know this was a short video, and I really just wanted to show you this bonus feature that's going to come with ON1 2023. Now, if there's anything specific you want to see in ON1 2023, let me know in the comments below. I read all my comments and I respond to all of them. Because the truth is, I have no friends. I'm just kidding. And if this happens to be your first video and you want to know more about ON1 2023, make sure to check out this video. But for now, my furry and fabulous friends, I'll see you when I see you.